Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to turn off this PC. So to do that, you can click the start button, then go to power options and select shutdown, and this way you will turn off your laptop quickly and easily. But if you don't have access to this menu, for example, if your device is stuck frozen, you can force shut down your laptop by pressing and holding the power key for about 15 seconds. Just hold it down and wait until your device shuts down. When your device is turned off, you will see the power indicator turning off on the right edge of your laptop, and that's basically it. Now your laptop is turned off. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.